burgers are like the epitome of 4th of July food. Hey guys, welcome back to Eat with Justine, and today I have made protein sliders. So summer's around the corner and I haven't been dieting and I haven't been exercising, so I thought, maybe for my mukbangs I'll try and eat healthy. But then I was like, I have fries in the freezer, so let's make fries too. So these sliders have been sitting out for a little bit, so I really want to get right into eating them. I've left the tops off just so they can look cute. But let's eat one. So the sliders have cheese on them. They have cheese and onions and then lettuce and lettuce on both sides. So let's try it like this first. I have Perrier too. So the sliders themselves, I seasoned it with garlic salt, garlic powder. Oh no, the rest. Hold on, let me eat. We have one French fry toast. So garlic salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, red chili flakes. And that was it. I have onion on top with like some cheese and it melted down. It's pretty damn good, y'all. It's pretty good. Which one should I eat? This one, this one, this one. This one. No, this one. This is why I didn't want to put the tops on, because it just looks like a pile of lettuce. But really, there's a burger inside. And these fries are the Ore-Ida extra crispy shoestring fries. Get them in the freezer. Super easy to make. And right now they have like a sale at Vons. It's like, if you buy 4, they come out to like $1.29 each. I was gonna do this. It's so good. I love sparkling water. Ooh. You guys do this. So with my ketchup, I'll make like a little hole. And then in that hole, I top it to you. And you mix it all together. It's so good. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. It's bomb. Right. It's really good with top to you. The one thing that does suck about sliders though, she'll fall apart on you so quick. Because lettuce isn't supposed to be a bun. It's supposed to be lettuce. There is. I'll give you a treat later. Okay? So yeah, tomorrow, this might be uploaded tomorrow, but tomorrow is going to be 4th of July. And I just kind of like wanted to do barbecue-y food with you guys. I know this isn't really barbecue-y, but it's like hamburgers is like the epitome of 4th of July food. Hamburgers, hot dogs, fries, fireworks. That sounds like the all-American 4th of July. I will definitely be making this again, like just an at-home meal. This is my first time making it. How do you guys feel about like my at-home food so far? I've been really broke lately, so making all my mukbang food at home has been saving me so much money. I'm not gonna lie, I freaking miss eating out. What's in this one? This one. And then for the lettuce, all I did was like, I got some iceberg lettuce, and I kind of folded it onto each other to make the bun. And that's it. And then like the size of these burgers are probably like the same size as like value menu burgers. Oh. oh. Let's see if I can finish this. I'm actually getting like really full. I didn't think like burgers and lettuce would fill me up, but I'm getting kind of full, you guys. I need to have fries too. Duh. I'm sure the fries are filling me up like way more than the burgers are. These are like my favorite kind of fries. The ones that are like super crispy. Okay. Ah. The last bites are always the hardest because like super falling apart. Yo. Okay. Alright. I don't know if I can do this, you guys. This last burger, let's just see if I can finish it. I'm getting so full. Okay. So they're just gonna have lettuce, but just not like an abundance of fries. There it is, you can have lettuce. Can you hear him? Yeah, just can eat like lettuce. Honestly, I don't even know if he likes lettuce, but I just feel like he likes to eat it because he knows I'm eating it. God, I'm so full, you guys. Just have a little bit more left. All right. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. I'm so full. Whew. 2 more fries. Oh, I'm done. Oh my god. It's not even a recipe. I just kind of like threw all this stuff together. But I'll leave the instruction that I used in the description box below. And I want to wish everyone a happy and safe 4th of July. Don't freaking drink and, you know, set off fireworks and stuff. Keep all your limbs in one piece this year. For me, I don't know. Maybe I might not. Oh my god. So that was so good. And don't forget, you guys, this Friday again, Friday Night Lives. It's my live stream. Don't forget, put it like a calendar reminder or whatever. Or actually click on the notification bell down here. Somewhere. And you'll get notifications of all my videos and like my upcoming live streams and all that kind of stuff. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, smash my face right here to subscribe. And until next time, guys, come back and eat with me again soon, okay? Bye!